mga parangal mula sa iba't ibang award-giving bodies ang pelikulang The Hurt Locker sa direksyon ni Kathy Bigelow na isinulat naman ni Mark Bowal at kamakailan ay nagwagi ito ng Best Original Screenplay sa Writers Guild of America Awards. Ang pagiging makatotohanan ng istorya nito patungkol sa mga US Army sa Iraq ang nagtulak kay Bigelow upang gawin ang pelikula.
So it was really an amazing script, very moving script, about a conflict that's still ongoing, and I think to put a spotlight on a really, really difficult situation is very meaningful to me personally.
Nais na maipabatid ng direktor na ang nangyayaring giyera sa panahong ito ay isang bagay na hindi na maiiwasan.
It's a really difficult and almost impossible situation, and basically how brutalizing and dehumanizing war is, and that it's finally a tragedy no matter how you look at it.
Samantala, personal na ipinakilala ni Morgan Freeman si Anthony Peckham na siyang screenwriter ng pelikula nitong Invictus bilang Paul Selvin Awardee.
I felt good about playing Nelson Mandela. I had a real good script, thanks to Tony.
Naging malaking inspirasyon sa kanya ang mismong istorya na nangyari sa kanyang tinubuang lupa.
What inspired me was the story. I'm South African. I grew up in South Africa. It was really inspiring to be able to give something to the world from South Africa.
May tuturing man na high-profile writer si Peckham ay kapansin-pansin ang magandang hangaring nais niyang ipaalam sa mga manonood.
One is the absolute power of forgiveness, personally and politically, and the other is the power of leadership, which we need again and again and don't have enough of.
Jihan Malones para sa Hataw Balita ng UNTV News Worldwide.